My king, you are the king of all kingdoms. No one is above you, my Father. You are the only one, Father, in you all. You are the greater one, you are the master, Jehovah Jireh, Shammah and Omega, my Father. My Father, my Savior,
wherever I go,
in bad situation, in sickness, my King,
whatever I do,
number one, my Father,
wherever I go,
my King, my Savior, number one.
in times of distress, in times of trouble, you come to my rescue, Jehovah Jireh. You are my fortress, my pillar. You fight my battles wherever I am weak. You are my giver, El Shaddai. You are my Savior wherever I go, my Savior. You are my number one. You are my number. You are my number. You are my number. You are my number. Wherever I go, in times of trouble, you are my number. You are my number. You are my number. Jehovah Jireh. You are my number. In whatever I do, in darkness, you are my number one. Oh, you are my number one. In sorrow, you are my number one. Wherever I go, Lion of Judah, you are my number one. You are my pillar, you are my number one. My fortress, you are my number one. In wherever I do.
When the world forsake you, don't worry, my friend. Jehovah is there for you. He has promised he will never leave you alone. Only if you trust him, he's going to be there for you. Let him be your number one in your life. Whatever you do, put God in your mind. My Father,
You are my number one.
my Father,
You are my number one.
my Savior.
You are my number one. Wherever I go,
In bad situation, fasheni, ili